the chairman of Nigerian political parties, opposition coalition CUPP, and heads of political associations have intercepted intelligence of an alleged fresh plot against the 2023 general election, and this time being coordinated by leading figures of the ruling APC governors, led by a Southeast APC governor with controversial past, and another from the Northwest, who are working with their colleagues to perfect a plot to intimidate INEC leadership into abandoning the use of electronic transmission and upload of election results to the INEC server, deactivation of the BVAS machine from INEC server, and the creation of crisis of confidence based on trump-up charges that will lead to the removal of top officials of the Electoral Commission, including the INEC chairman, Professor Mahmoud, and other national commissioners who are insisting on the use of BVAS for the 2023 election and the irreversible use of electronic transmission of results. This latest intelligence and shocking information involve the use of security agencies, the APC-controlled Senate, and the courts to cause a leadership crisis and change that will see to the removal of the Commission top leadership led by Professor Mahmoud and the appointment of a pushover and compromised acting chairman who will ruin the credibility of the 2023 election by deactivating the BVAS machine from the INEC server. Stop the use of electronic transmission of results, and also ensure that the Commission's resident electoral commissioners nominated by APC governors are quickly approved and deployed to states where they will be of assistance to the ruling party at the expense of credible, free, and fair election. We, the chairmen and leaders of different political parties here, Action Alliance, Labour Party, PDP, ADC, APP, and other numerous parties here, candidates of different political parties, civil society organizations, and leaders of opposition coalition categorically state that any plan to destabilize INEC and force the top officers of the commission, including the INEC chairman, out of office, whether with trump-up charges, manipulated security reports, instigated or coordinated parliamentary investigation, a hurriedly obtained injunction from the courts, a code of conduct bureau inquiry, or an arrest and hurried arraignment will not be accepted. We repeat, these will not be accepted by Nigerian political parties, party leaders, civil society, and the generality of Nigerians. Any further action in this direction will be playing with fire and a direct affront and challenge to Nigerian voters and the entire political parties, and it will be resisted vehemently. Read the mind, eyes, soul, heart, and hear the voice of the opposition and the Nigerian people. It will not augur well for anyone who continues with this alleged evil plot. We have been tipped off by our intelligence both inside APC and the camp of the governors in the conspiracy, and we can state that the opposition is in receipt of information that the INEC leadership, especially senior officials, are being put under immense pressure, and I repeat, under immense pressure to abandon the use of BVAS machine, result transmission, and in particular, to deactivate the BVAS from the server.